Hello everyone. Now I'm in my Porsche 924 and unfortunately the car is broke down when I was trying to get home. Actually now I'm far from home and I have to call the insurance. Let me show you what happened to the car. Okay, the car, everything else is good, but when you try to start the car, it can't hold. The weather is very nice outside, but I have to stay in the car waiting for the insurance come. It has been 2 hours. Oh. Today I'm here to pick up my Porsche. It's been in the garage for almost 2 months, but still they haven't fixed it all. But I have to pick the car today so I can go to Birmingham to begin the journey of the NC500. Yeah, you hear me right, I'm going to Scotland. The famous NC500 that road. Beautiful. Let's see the bill. Okay, lots of works. Okay, great. Yeah, all good, all good.
Okay, put them down, Will. Switch them off.
Yeah. Okay, I'll hold this.
Here we go.
Okay.
No. Because as I said, we get it running, it lasts, and then it dies. Right.
Okay.
Let's get you sorted.
Okay, after 3 hours, finally. Two weeks later, I picked up the car again. Then it broke down again, and I lost faith in the garage. I now got a tow truck to take the 924 to a highly rented Porsche specialist for the future refurbishment. Thankfully, the sunset clears the gloom of the day, and we arrived at the specialist an hour later, hoping this time the 924 would come back to life. I'll go talk to the guys here.
Right, yeah.